Hi friends, what a lucky week I am having. All of my stuff has come in around the same time and I'm able to do multiple unboxings, which makes me extremely happy. This time I got my homespun jewelry. This is the sister. This is a little sister. This one came fast too because I just barely feel like I ordered it. This is the little sister. Yeah, the little sister, because I already got my regular subscription order here, which I did not do an unboxing for because by the time I got this, there were so many unboxings already. It was like, I don't want to just flood the internet with the same unboxing. So this time, since I got my little sister so quickly, I'm going to go ahead and unbox my little sister. Okay. So, says make it your own stone make. Very good. This is what's in this bag. 25 items. 26 items. Lapis lazuli faceted teardrop. That's a lot of stuff. Oh no, even here we have a bonus item too. Wow, we got quite a bit in this little bitty bag here. So let's check it out. So this here, I don't know. Okay, handmade. This is handmade Indonesian focal beads. Random selection. There's 2 of these. These are the bonus items. Aren't they nice? Oh, these are cute. Very cute. So those little babies go over there. Yeah, and you wouldn't think that this little tiny bag could hold that many things, but it can. So here's the star of the show. I'm going to go with the star of the show, which would be this one. This is the lapis lazuli faceted teardrop. So this is the star of the show. So let's open that. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Lapis lazuli is really a beautiful gemstone. I don't know why blue is not my favorite color, but it's so beautiful. I almost feel like it could be. The reason why I have blue, my company name is BluSaffhire, is actually because of my birthstone is BluSaffhire. Whoa, look at this bad mama jamma. Isn't that pretty? This is like a little bookmark. Rainbow plated wavy hook bookmark. Wow. I get to see all these things up close and personal. The bags are not numbered, so I'd have to go down the list to try to look for everything. But I don't know that I'm going to read off everything because, you know, I know Steve and Debbie did an unboxing. I think there's more unboxings happening. But this is chrysocolla ovals. They're nice. There's 6 of them. These are going to be some, let me think. Wow, they're like gold accented beads. Okay, these are the gold designer drawn bench. Oh, they're so beautiful. My gosh. Look at that. See that gold on there? Oh man. That like does something to me. It gives me like joy to see that. This is the green version of it. So lots of greens and blues here. Bright, beautiful green. Green is really my favorite color. Not that particular green, but green I think I like the most. Or green is the color that I might be mostly drawn to or something. but it's beautiful. We have some lobster clasps. Wow. Aren't those gorgeous? I wouldn't want that plating to come off of there. So what I would probably do would be to use some permalac coating on that you get from Potomac Beads, and just make sure that doesn't come off. Ooh. Some teardrops with an AB. Good grief. Oh my gosh, this is hanging. Sorry, y'all. Don't these look beautiful? So shiny. Do you like bling? Let me know in the comments. Look at these two beads. These are nice long tubes too. These are green with an AB. Whew. God, see, when I tell you I like green, it's closer to this color green. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the green underneath the AB. Golly, it's gorgeous. Makes me feel so good. Man. Okay, so there's also blue tubes in here. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Did you get the little sister? If you got it, let me know in the comments if you got the little sister. What do you think of these tube beads? Please tell me. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Like my grandson says, wow. Wow. Yeah, it goes so well with the peacock theme, you know, in the subscription box. It was peacock themed, and so we got a peacock feather, and everything just looked so great up next to the peacock feather. And this just carries on that. Oh my gosh. I like how they gave us two of, like, they gave us blue and then they gave us green of the same beads, right? That's really neat. That's a really neat idea. Thanks for doing that. Okay. Okay, these are some little rondelle beads. Faceted. Whew, golly. Bling, bling. Woo, woo. It's like a disco up in here. Oh my gosh. They're gorgeous. And then the little spacer beads. They have that same little iris. What are those? Are those called the iris beads? Oh my gosh. Bling. Who likes a little bling? Good grief. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear Ginger. She's barking at my husband for no good reason. Does your dog do that? Just no good reason. Just sit there and look at him and bark. She loves him so much. Okay, so these look like little lapis. Little lapis. Let me see. I don't know. Oh man. Yeah, little lapis, 4mm lapis rounds. Yeah, I thought that's what that was. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I see necklace. I see bracelet. Some hexagon. This is lapis also. These are cute. Where in the world do you find lapis hexagon beads? So cute. How do I get like a full strand of those? Yeah, see, it's a lot in this little tiny bag. So we now have some check glass flowers. Designer flowers, glass flowers with gold. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Would you just look at it? Oh my gosh. Where do you find this chain? Oh my gosh, it's long too. Oh my gosh. And so dainty. Oh, look at that chain. So pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I love it. I love this chain. Golly, look at it. It's a pile of beauty. A pile of beauty. Look at it. Okay. All right. And so let's see, we have some silver bead caps. Oh boy. My husband brought her in. She barked way too much. Silver bead caps. Okay. Those. And then we have some silver spacer. He knew she was going to bark, so he came and shut my door. Some silver spacers. Oh, wait. Those aren't. Wait. Are those? I guess they could be spacers, but they look like little drops. They're little stars. Wait a minute. Crystal butterfly. These are so cute. I'm looking for the description of them. I don't know. I can't find them fast enough without, I don't want to lose you. But those are cute. Look, I just want to show you this. So I thought they were daisy spacers, okay? But when you look very closely, there's that loop here at the top. So could it be that they are daisy spacers, but also little drops? You can use them as either. Those are adorable. I love, 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 love. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It's a peacock in there. How pretty is that? He's in there. Oh my gosh. So cute. I'm sorry. I'm trying to adjust you. Okay, we've got some butterflies, a green butterfly and a blue butterfly. And these would probably be crystal butterfly links. Okay, so we're gonna link, we would link like this, going like this, right? Like that, if it was on a bracelet, or like that if it was on a necklace, like that. If they were earrings, they would probably go like that, right? If you wanted to make them earrings, asymmetrical. Then we have these very cute hearts. Oh my. Okay, so let me see. The hearts are chrysocolla. Jeez, they're chrysocolla like these ovals here. See that? They go together. Then you have a feather that has that same rainbow on it. feather connector. Nice. It's not too flimsy. That's good. And then we have another peacock pendant. Isn't that cute? I'm digging these peacock pendants. One in silver, one in gold. Okay. You did this thing. You did this. You did it. You did it. You did it. It's cute. A toggle. Go ahead, Steve and Debbie. Look. Look. That's so cute. OMG. I love that. Oh. See, I could see ordering several of these things. I don't know if these things are on their website, but I could see ordering several extras. You guys, I don't have a discount code or anything. I'm not an affiliate. I have never met them in person. So I'm sorry I don't have an affiliate code to offer you, but maybe you can look at one of the unboxings from our friends and they have maybe a code or something that might help you out if you decided to get the subscription box. But this is what came in it. I must say that I love it very much. I'm very happy. It wasn't expensive. It was a very good price. And from what it says on the retail value, it says it's worth $70. This is what came in the first one. So you can see how all of these things go together, right? Here's the green right here. So it's extra of those. It came with the lapis, some of the other right here, the other little 4 millimeters. These are like 6s. These are 8 and 10. So see, we have some more of the little tube thingies here. So it looks like it's extremely complimentary. Look, we even got one of these in the original one. And some chain, but a different type of chain. So it's extremely complimentary, this one with this one. And so I can see taking them, combining them. What I probably would do if I was making something, or when I make something, is I'll lighten the colors up a little bit. I might include one of my favorites, which is pearls, or some lighter colors with it, to kind of brighten it up a little bit, because I typically tend to make a jewelry that's a little bit lighter, but you never know. I might make something that has more dark tones and see how much I like it. Anyway, with that said, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, hit that like button. It's very important to me and I appreciate it so much. Go in my description box for the Homstrung Jewelry website link there. And if you got this box, let me know. If you did not, go and make something beautiful regardless, okay? Bye for now.